Hello students, welcome to today's class. I hope you all have completed writing your notes. Shall we recollect what we have learned in the previous lesson? Let us review the lesson. We should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. In case of fire due to electricity and oil, do not throw water to put out the fire. Immediate medical help given to an injured person before the arrival of doctor is called first aid. A crack or break in bone is called fracture, and tearing of tissue around a joint is called sprain. One can get major and minor burns in case of accidental contact with hot objects, steam, bursting crackers, and so on. Animal bites need to be treated immediately, otherwise they can lead to rabies. In our surroundings, we see various substances. We see like fan, wood, table, water, and so on. Like for example, we see substances like wood, air, oil, honey, stone, carbon dioxide. They all are different in their states. Under solids, we can place wood and stone. Under liquids, oil and honey. Under gases, air and carbon dioxide. They are different in their states, like solids, liquids and gases. Other than these three substances, are there any substances existing in the nature? No. Matter exists in only three states. Any substance which occupies space and which has weight is called matter. So today we are going to study about solids, liquids and gases. Matter exists in three states: solids, liquids and gases. Matter is made up of small particles called molecules. Molecules. Matter is made up of molecules. Molecules are further made up of the smallest particles called atoms. Atoms. Molecules are further made up of atoms. For example, we'll see how hydrogen molecule is formed. Hydrogen molecules, here we are seeing here the two hydrogen molecules. A hydrogen molecule forms when two hydrogen atoms combine. Oxygen molecule is formed when two atoms of oxygen combine. We'll see how water molecule is formed. Water molecule is formed when two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom combines. Then we get water molecule. Elements are formed when identical atoms combine. Compounds are formed when two different or more than two different types of atoms combine. In the nature, there are nearly 117 different kinds of atoms are existing. That means 117 different kinds of elements are existing. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. We can see molecular attraction between two molecules. Attraction we can say like the gravitational force of Earth. Like how Earth pulls all objects towards its center, like that. In the same way, molecules also have molecular force or molecular attraction. So all these molecules combine to form a matter. If it is a hydrogen molecule, hydrogen atoms combine and form hydrogen molecule. If it is oxygen, two atoms of oxygen combine and form a molecule of oxygen. If it is some other substance, for example water, it is a compound. It is formed by hydrogen and oxygen. Two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combines and forms the water molecule. Based on the arrangement of the molecules, matter exists in three states: solids, liquids and gases. We'll see the arrangement of molecules in these three states. In the case of solids, you can see the molecules are very close to each other. There is no much gap between the molecules. Solids have definite shape and they have definite volume. They cannot diffuse in the air and they cannot flow because the molecules are present very close to each other. In the case of liquids, the molecules are arranged with some gap in between them. You can see the difference between solids and liquids. The molecules in the case of solids are very close to each other, but in liquids there is some gap between them. Liquids don't have proper shape, but they will get the shape of a container in which we pour, and the molecular attraction of the liquids is less compared with the solids. In the case of gases, the molecules are arranged very far away from each other. Gases, they have no definite shape and there is no volume. You can compress the molecules, like if you make the people who are in the room, you can make them sit very close to each other. In the same way, you can compress the molecules which are in the container by applying pressure. They come close to each other. Based on the arrangement of molecules, matter exists in three states, that is solids, liquids and gases. Today we have seen about solids, liquids and gases, molecules and atoms, how molecule is formed and how a compound is formed. What is the arrangement of molecules in solids, liquids and gases. That's all for today, children.